I only like to put stickers of things that I actually use. So I have Notion on here, and then Oyster, of course, and that I'm out of office indefinitely.
Oyster is a global employment platform. We're a very young startup, but we're quite large. So in the last year, we've hired over 500 people.
Welcome. Hang on, wait, more people coming in. Sorry.
Asynchronous working is one of our core values. It's amazing to be able to wake up and work with coworkers all across the globe.
But making sure that we're all still going in the same direction can definitely be a challenge.
I was lucky to have a very well-built Notion infrastructure whenever I came on board. Everybody uses Notion. You get to have your own individual Notion page for onboarding. That is our source of truth for what is the most up-to-date, the most current. I was able to hit the ground running, which is necessary in a revenue role.
That's kind of like the foundation when you join the company to get you using it and seeing how central Notion is to what we do.
Notion is like Oyster's digital headquarters. It's the brain of the company where all of our processes are documented, our timelines, resources.
It helps me to know how to work with different teams, and it makes me more efficient on my day-to-day.
Once the sun sets in a place and you sign off for the day, everybody has access to what they need to pick up and carry the work forward. It's so ingrained in our way of working. Anything you need to do your job, it's in Notion.